Hey neighbors, it's Peter with Wipe Clean. Happy Valentine's Day. With a busy schedule, it can be really easy to overlook maintaining your home. Last year, I helped numerous customers wipe clean their schedule so they could get back to the things they love to do. It made so much sense. I would pre-book their spring and fall window, gutter, and pressure washing appointments. That way, we could ensure we had you on the schedule before the spring or fall rushes. We also offer a stellar discount because when you book in the off season, we can easily pick the day as it's wide open, obviously, weather permitting. Let me pass it over to Nick to talk more about why we're different.
Safety here at Wipe Clean is our number one. That's why I've equipped all the trucks with water tanks. These water tanks are for window cleaning, not pressure washing. But we use the water tanks because sometimes we get to a location and there's no water on site or the tap might be too far. So we want to make sure that our window cleaners can use the water-fed poles anywhere they need to. So I've really strived to ensure all the trucks are set up with the tanks and poles. 300 feet of line. This helps us ensure that we can complete every job. If there's a window that maybe we can't reach by a ladder, we can at least do it with a water-fed pole because we have water on site. If you have any questions about anything we spoke about today, please give myself or Peter a call. We'd be happy to discuss the memberships more with you. Thanks so much. Have a great Valentine's Day.